Ravi and his friends made a giant snake and ladder board in their colony. Now, for this board, they also needed a huge die. Now, they would not find this particular type of die in market, so they will have to make their own. So, Ravi decided that he will make a huge die. Now, for that, he cut out squares from a piece of cardboard. Now, by joining 6 such squares, he was able to make the die. Now, he wanted to cover each face of the die with a chart paper individually. So, he needed to know how big a chart paper he needs to cover each side of the die. So, basically, he needs to know this entire space which is occupied by each square. So, how can we calculate the space occupied by this shape? Well, basically, we are trying to calculate area of this shape, isn't it? Now, what exactly is area? Well, area is the space occupied by a shape. So, this entire shaded region is the area of this shape or area of this square, and we need to find out the area of the square. But how do you find out the area of a square? Well, there is a formula for that. And the formula for area of a square is side into side. So you can definitely take up a tile or any other object and try to fill this and say that count of that particular thing is the area of the shape, but that won't be accurate. But when you use this formula, then you can accurately find the area of this square. So area of the square is side into side. Now in this case, what is the side? It's 30 centimeters because it is a square, so all the sides are of same size. So what will be the area? It will be side into side. So we have 30 centimeters into 30 centimeters, which will be 900 square centimeters. Now, do you notice that I have not written centimeters? I have written square centimeters. Why is it so? Well, whenever you multiply two values having the same unit, then you do not write the unit as it is. You write it as square of that unit, or in this case we have square centimeters. If it was meters, then we would have written 30 into 30, 900 square meters. So square here simply means that two values have been multiplied whose unit was same. So in this case it was centimeters. So whenever you calculate area, you basically multiply two values of same unit. So whenever you calculate area, the final unit is always in square units. So square centimeter, square meter, square kilometer, and so on. Now we have another question here. Sam decides to make a chessboard of side 20 centimeter each. What is the area of the board? So let's first of all understand the board which he has drawn. So this is the board, 20 centimeters each side, isn't it? Now can you calculate the area of the shape? If each side of the square is 20 centimeter, then what will be the area of this particular shape? What do you think? Well, the answer is very simple. We know that area of a square is side into side. So in this case, what is side? It's 20 centimeters. So it will be 20 centimeter into 20 centimeters. So if we multiply 20 centimeter into 20 centimeter, what do we get? Well, 20 into 20 is 400 and centimeter into centimeter will be square centimeter. So the answer will be 400 square centimeters. So the area of this particular square, that is the space occupied by this particular square, is 400 square centimeters. So whenever you have a square, then the formula for its area is A into A, that is side into side. In this case, the side is A, so we write A into A. So you can write side into side. So whenever you need to calculate area of any square, it will be side into side.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.